Oh shit. Here we go again. First video 2025. Najua probably the last time you heard about me was in 2024 wakati tulikuwa na story event. I was doing the Undiscovered tour in Nairobi. Alpha Table members kadhaa wamecome through kuniambia, even some came through kuniambia, Ben ulinicut off. Hapana. I think need to take a break. I've been also trying to look for a way to start these videos, but nimesema manze jamani, fuck it. You plan it a lot, then you never do it. I think it's a thing with, if you are creative, you understand. Sometimes you have this thing in your head where you plan a lot, then you never do it, looking for that perfection. So there's no perfection. So nimesema I'm just gonna do it anyway, the way it is. Kwani sisi ni akina nani? Sisi ndio show. So back at it again, as you know, back in Diani also to try this thing. The storyline of this Wolf Tales Niati, all I want is my music to win, and with that I also want to have freedom to do the things that I do when I get. So I find myself taking risks that I think is inevitable to help me either get more skills or more exposure to learning this game. Ni a deep game, nimeona wengi wameingia wakianguka, but for me just trying to figure it out each day at a time. So hapa penye nimekaa niko mahali kwa beach near whatever, nitangoje two fishes hapo hivyo. I remember 2023 ama yes, ndio tuingia 2024. I was around this beach at that particular time. Tulikuwa na performance pale King for Love. Tulikuwa tumekaa sisi kama team DCT. That time I was here. Tulikuwa tumeitwa performance. So here is me tukipiga nduru, enjoying the fireworks of tunavuka mwaka. So happy, new year, new beginnings. A lot of hope was in the way. Kuna a lot of visions were in the conversations wakati tulikuwa patana na wao. So I was motivated of doing this music thing. The other thing ni at this particular period, if when nilikam Diani to mention, I came here to construction. The first project that brought me in Diani was a construction project huko Galu, unamsaidia kuwajengea